Hi, it's Dr. Tieche with your Medminute, and our question today is about how solutions to help support equestrians who struggle with combined problems of back pain as well as mental fatigue. And honestly, that's probably the most common problems that most equestrian athletes have. Back pain for sure, really because of the positions they assume for long periods when they're riding. They stay in fixed positions with their backs a certain way and their legs very tight. And so that can definitely contribute to back pain with that. So one common solution to that problem would be stretching. And I know a lot of equestrians do not do this. So stretching before you ride, stretching after you ride, and you can do short stretching that's just before to limber you up, and then get into a stretching program, which would certainly target your core more, as well as your hip flexors and your back and neck. Because that's really what it is. What's happening is the back pain is a lot of times just coming from those muscles staying in that tight position for long periods of time. If those things don't work and help grit, then one might want to get massage therapy, see a chiropractor for maybe some alignments and things like that. But the back pain, I really think incorporating stretching is going to help quite a bit. The mental fatigue goes along with really the intensity of concentration that most of these equestrians are doing while they're riding, both just staying focused on the tasks that they have to do, but then controlling their horse as well. And so that requires a lot of attention to detail on a minute-by-minute basis. So what happens is with periods of prolonged, intense thinking, we do get fatigue. So things that can help with that, right prior to getting on, doing some kind of self-meditation, but deep breathing, get yourself sort of in the zone, so to speak, before you ride. And that's not going to fix everything, but it's going to at least help get you prepared. The other things are more supplements, making sure you're hydrated. Things like rhodiola, ashwagandha, those things help support mental clarity as well as energy levels. L-theanine with caffeine. Caffeine helps people focus. So those are things that may help you just supplementary wise to help enhance your mental ability while you're riding. And so the other thing is taking frequent breaks in between and just letting you digest what you did and then get refocused back in for your rides again. So it's not really a lot of medications here that we want to do. We want to do more stuff that is more sustained and is long lasting so that we could do this for the long term, because most equestrians plan on riding for their whole lives. So anyway, that's my answer to that solution. I'd like you to join us for our Med Minute Weekly. Please submit your questions below.